Hey guys!
Yes.
You're in the you guys are in the behind the scenes. It's a video.
Oh shit!
They're all posing.
Posing for a picture.
I should have just kept it. I should have just extended it so you guys could just look stupid.
Him hitting me in the nuts.
Yeah, I got that.
B-roll. As you can see, our actors are rehearsing their lines. Yeah, do that. Oh, stop! Oh, hey.
Are they here?
Yeah.
What?
Well, Abraham's not here. He's cut.
What? Oh.
Oh yeah, he can't. Yeah, no, he's
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
my
It's he doesn't need it. We don't need him.
Oh, you hear him. Yeah. And
Yeah.
He knows those too.
What happened?
Day one of shooting. Here's our director. Ugh.
Oh, it's down here.
Hey, there's our editor.
Hello, hello.
Salazar. There's our talent.
Brian. Get a room.
What are you doing?
I'm farting currently. I'm sorry.
Yeah, there's our token Asian.
That's me. Oi, loca.
So I brought something for the behind the scenes crew.
Oh my god.
Let me get you take one.
No.
Come on, man. Let me get you take one.
I'm
trying to see if I can get you to focus
again.
again.
The coming one.
The white ones are coconut or spoiled milk.
Oh, it's coconut.
That's coconut. Coconut's nasty. One more, man. One. Just one.
Get that away from me.
Just one.
I don't want to do it again.
Come on, man. Just one.
No, I hate
It's
this
for the
game.
behind the scenes.
Fuck you.
Peer pressure wins.
I got the same one, okay. Oh,
Alright,
I hate dog
either
food.
chocolate or cake. I mean, you could get chocolate pudding. Let's
You
go.
can get chocolate pudding or dog food.
And I am really close in. Hold on. Hold that. Let me zoom out a
I
little
want
bit.
the green one. What's the green one? The green one is either long clippings or lime, so they're both good.
You gotta either, no, that's the dark green. So you either have booger or
Yo,
juicy
just
pear.
saying, if I get dog food and I spit it out, this whole place is gonna smell like fucking dog food.
We'll spit it out on the side. All right,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh fuck! Oh. Ha! Fuck!
Yes.
God damn it!
That was the fakest I've ever heard in my life, but I believe that it happened. What do you think, man?
I think I got the good flavor. I don't know. I can't tell. Most booger tastes like this.
Veronique, now that you're here, you gotta try the Bean Boozled jelly bean.
Oh, is it one of these guys?
Yep.
Let's see. I won't look. Oh my god, I got like all of them. Okay, calm down. Okay. Okay. All right.
Wait, you didn't check what flavor you got.
What? I'm gonna tell you.
She's gonna know what flavor she got now. I think it's something good because she can't think of what it is.
It's either popcorn or earwax.
Ooh, popcorn.
Popcorn.
Butter
Oh, I'll
popcorn.
never know because I.
Didn't check the color, yeah. Hey,
Sounds good.
hey, you're on behind the scenes. You gotta take a bean. Again. I'm making everybody do it.
Come on, babe.
I did.
Oh, are you gonna be behind the scenes?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
I got dog food, so did Ivan.
I got popcorn.
Wait, we gotta check the color.
what this? I'm not gonna look at it.
Alright, go ahead. I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you what it is when you put it in your mouth. It's either chocolate pudding or dog food.
It's dog food.
Yeah, it's not that bad though, right?
No, it's not.
No, see, I even spat it out immediately. We actually rented a cabin for this place, just to shoot these scenes. That's pretty cool, right?
I quit. Breakdown. Film right says.
How much longer until we set up, guys? Until we're done.
3 more hours. Another day? Because it's day 1 out of 3 days.
This day one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Day one.
So tell us your name.
My name is Erick. I just turned 18.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Wisconsin.
Oh, okay. You excited to be here?
That sounds
I'm a little nervous.
Eric? Wait, Eric, we're on the behind the scenes right now, and I figured,
I didn't even know.
we need something, since we're behind the scenes, I figured I want you to explain the name of Sweet Toe 2 to everybody.
Innovation.
Um,
We got a bear
Because you're the one who came up with it.
Okay. The name. We gotta wait for the Oscar speech.
The name. Follow me.
Alright.
Follow me. The name.
Careful with the cord.
The name will be this. How do you say it?
Disgust?
Discussed
I'll figure out.
in about 10 years.
Right.
I don't have to know.
Alright,
Abraham, while you're doing this, why don't you explain to the objective goal of Suite 202?
George, grab
world domination.
Okay. Why am I red? Veronique?
Have you drank already?
I haven't. I wish I did.
What was in that orange juice, Abraham?
I think I
Very
fixed
good,
it.
Brian.
Yeah, I did fix it. Okay.
What about you, Eric? What's the objective goal of Suite 202?
World domination.
But
Do you want me to sit on the casting couch and say stuff?
Yeah.
We're in.
Véronique, how did we meet?
Yeah, how did you meet?
I bet you don't even remember the first time I met you.
I remember meeting you and thinking you were this weird little fuckboy kind of like thing.
That's the same thing I thought.
Right?
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 Look at him. He
Right?
rides a Camaro.
Right?
He's got hair.
He was taking a show I was in. He was always late. He didn't care.
That is not true.
That you were always
That
late.
is not. I was late, but I did care.
Hey, when you start playing D&D, you can forget about driving me everywhere.
Who's
It's
losing?
amazing. D&D is
Okay.
legit life.
How am I losing in that situation? That just means I save gas money.
You still don't like that.
Joke's on you, bitch.
Yes.
the white cards right now.
Take it
Everyone
back.
turned
Take the
that
nerd
one on?
back.
Yeah.
Take it back.
I don't know. Can you bounce it off the ceiling?
Do you have a bottle opener?
What are you guys doing?
We're setting up the lighting
Still
for this
dark.
scene.
Yeah.
Avery,
Yes, sir.
how's that?
Okay, a little bit less.
What do I come? Are you asking me to open it for you? I can't tell.
No, just
Just tell me when.
need help.
I'm glad I caught that.
Here. Oh,
You got it all over the script, man.
Script.
Director.
Yes.
Director. You like hearing that?
And so today she was like, my mom got fired. She's like, my mom got fired from her job. And when I was so done, like I was just so done the whole day. And so when my friend Alana came in and the girl left, I was like, you know what I really wanted to say to her? Your mom got fired. My mom's dead.
Eric.
he's gonna move it.
Paul, you don't get much screen time. How do you feel?
Acne. I feel. I don't know.
And you yelled action.
Guys, for the internet to know, who's single here? Come on. No?
Technically speaking, I am.
I don't know.
What about you, Eric?
Everybody knows I'm single.
What about you?
What about me?
Are you single?
Shut the fuck up.
Nice try, Avery. A for
I
effort.
was hoping it was gonna work.
Where? Oh, it's me, Poutre at AOL.com.
Hey, Paul. What time did we start filming?
God, we got here like 3.
3?
Started filming like 5.
Okay, okay.
It's been like almost 6, 7 hours.
Okay, are we almost done?
Speaking of gay, Eric, you're looking exceptionally gay today.
Thank you.
Absolutely right.
How you been doing?
I've been doing well. How about you?
I'm gay. I'm pretty gay.
That's great. I'm not gay.
Bernie.
I mean happy.
That is the gayest.
Looking pretty gay as well, Abraham. And then he left. He took offense to that. Paul, and you and your sexy pink fanny pack.
Oh, it's back, boys.
I'm proud of you.
Back in action.
So, the help got fuzzy socks from Abraham because it's freezing as hell out here.
some chicken. We got fuzzy socks, bro. We're not gonna have this conversation.
Is he a bottom or what?
On the top.
Who's up? I don't in the.
I don't know, you look like you generate a lot of power.
Yeah, power bottom. That's
Oh yeah.
What's up, thick boss?
Oh shit, hey.
Language, this is a family-friendly channel.
Oh fuck yeah. Hello.
What are you doing, Paul?
I switched my lens because this lens is broke.
Paul, where'd you learn what you're doing now?
Film right?
Can we just drop it?
We are not dropping this.
Because I still love you.
Well, this is getting intense.
Zoom in on my face.
Hold on. I zoomed out. Eric, you been working out?
Not really, no.
I can tell, actually.
First person pizza cam.
Tart has been burned.
I hope you're hungry, audience. I'm not gonna touch the lens because this is what
That'd be pretty messed up.
I'm just here. I don't know what's happening.
Hey, Nikki.
Hi.
Eric isn't seeing us mishandle his equipment.
Yeah.
He's looking right at us.
What?
Hey, Eric.
What did you say?
Hey, how are you, bud?
Oh yeah. That's my wallet. So you're trying to swindle me? Is that what's going on?
Are you racist?
Day 30 of November. I've lost all physical feeling, but I can levitate.
Steve, you haven't had any screen time. What's up, buddy?
Nothing much.
How are you feeling?
I'm doing just fine, you know. I'm kind of worried that we're gonna die, but it's no problem.
Well, if anyone was going to die first, it's not the Asian.
Yeah, definitely, it's you, because you're black.
What are you doing, handsome?
Nothing, just chilling. What are you doing?
Give me a kiss.
Did you actually kiss him?
No.
Okay.
Steve, stop being homophobic.
Lily.
Give me a timestamp, Steve.
Timestamp?
Yeah, what time is it?
Oh, I believe it's 5:56.
5:56, and we finally started rehearsing.
Yeah, still rolling.
Eric, wave to the camera.
Huh?
Wave to the camera.
Hello.
Yeah.
We ready, Paul?
Here, do it. Just do it as an exercise.
next one?
Hit my hands. Okay. It's none of your business. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not doing this.
I'm kidding.
I think so.
It's none of your business.
Lily,
Photography lens, what?
are you really acting like that right now? Look, there's a guy out there, and he really
Come on,
thinks that
hit,
he
wait, hit,
I'm not
hit.
gonna hit you.
No, okay, fine, but use your voice. Don't just be like, don't be like, and then I'm like, and then I'm like, smell, and like it was like really cool. Like I got girls, like, and then we went to the mall and we did this and this and this. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he has an extra tripod.
What are we doing? We don't know what we're doing, man. Hey, Véronique, can we run through it? Like,
I've been waiting. Just fucking do that.
Oh my gosh. You're really burning the midnight oil. How are you feeling? You look the most exhausted out of all of us.
Well, that's nothing.
all right, let's get.
As he sits down,
I want to go home.
pops himself
Fine, I used him. Happy?
Are you mentally preparing for the trials that are ahead?
we followed.
Yes, I am.
Can you give me?
Done with day. Thank you to the awesome cast and crew. Thank you guys. Awesome.
Cameraman.
I don't know about that, but we are done tired and looking ugly. Yes. All right. Thanks, guys. The video didn't send last time. What the fuck is this?